Taxi. Hello, are you free?
Hello. Yes, I am free. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the Royal National Gallery. Do you know where that is?
Yes, of course. It is in the city centre near Trafalgar Square. Please, hop in.
Before I get in, could you tell me approximately how much the fare will be? I want to make sure I have enough cash.
Well, I use a meter. The price depends on the distance and the traffic, but usually it costs around £15 to £20 to get there at this time of day.
15 to £20? Okay, that is fine. Do you accept credit cards, or is it cash only?
Most taxis in this city now accept cards and contactless payments. I have a machine right here in the back for you.
That is very convenient. Thank you. Is it a long drive from here?
It is not too far, but the traffic near the bridge can be a bit slow. It should take us about 20 minutes.
No problem, I am not in a huge hurry.
Great. Please fasten your seatbelt for safety. Here we go.